Are you looking for the top 5 printers that make printing effortless? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 printers that make printing effortless in the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget.
Number 1. Brother MFC-L2900DW. Shoppers with less than $200 to spend can choose from a number of all-in-one inkjets that don't take much desk space. But the Brother MFC-J4335DW goes beyond that with duplex printing, faxing, either as a standalone fax machine or from almost any app on your PC, a 20-page automatic document feeder, and low running costs of under a penny per black page and under a nickel per color page. The ADF doesn't handle double-sided pages, but you have to sacrifice something in this price range. Both homes and small, to be honest, very small, offices can readily make room for this Brother printer. You won't use its fax capability often, but you never know when you might need it, and its competent paper handling joins its more than adequate text and better than adequate graphics quality. Number 2. Canon Maxify GX5020. Non-AIO inkjets are uncommon items these days, but if all you want to do is print documents and perhaps glossy paper photos en masse, and maximize your savings on ink while doing it, look into this Maxify model. Cheap ink is its biggest selling point. You won't get classic AIO scanning or copy function, though Canon offers a sort of copy workaround, letting you shoot a document with your phone's camera and print it in one step. But you will get a bulk ink design that takes refills from bottled ink. Our math based on Canon's yield claims and bottle costs works out to 0.5 cent per monochrome black page and 0.7 cent per color page. And that's before you factor in Canon's full-size ink bottles bundled with the printer. Plus, before we forget to mention, the output looks very good. The Maxify is geared toward home offices, but can serve the needs of a heavy printing family, too. It's all about printing enough, day in and day out, to leverage the low ink costs, since the printer itself, like most bulk ink/bottle refill models, is priced on the high side for the feature set. But if you have a home business, plus a family that hits a printer hard for schoolwork or hobbies, it's an excellent longer-term money saver. Number 3. Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850. Epson's EcoTank Pro ET5850 no longer comes with a 2-year supply of free ink it was introduced with, but it's still a great deal for high-volume office printing. This all-in-one boasts a 50-page ADF with single-pass auto duplexing, an ample 550-sheet paper capacity, and near typeset quality output for text and impressive graphics, too. It's as fast as any of its inkjet and several of its laser competitors, and it'll cost you only about 2 cents per page for both monochrome output and, more impressively, color. Assuming you stick to letter and legal-sized paper instead of the wide-format media supported by its EcoTank Pro ET16650 sibling, the ET5850 is virtually ideal for small businesses and work groups that crank out 3,000 to 4,000 pages per month. It was arguably the first successful office implementation of the bulk ink concept that slashed consumer printers' page costs to under a penny for black and white. But those printers don't have the chops for busy office duty. This one does. Number 4. Brother MFC-L2900DW. Color laser all-in-one printers are neither cheap, this one's $500, nor compact, about 50 pounds. But a Brother MFC-L2900DW is a worthy workhorse with recommended monthly usage of 4,000 pages. It has a 50-sheet automatic document feeder, a multipurpose tray, and a 250-sheet paper drawer. It bolsters the usual Ethernet and Wi-Fi office network membership with versatile connectivity for mobile devices, and its output quality is exceptional. This is a printer built for business use, but its price isn't so out of reach that smaller companies can't consider it. The MFC-L3780CDW will tempt large and small enterprises alike with its rock-solid performance and competitive running costs, about 12.3 cents per color page and 2.3 cents per black and white page. Number 5. Brother MFC-L2900DW XL. Photo-perfect color inkjets get all the attention, but compact, low-cost monochrome laser printers will never die for small offices and work groups that mostly crank out black and white text documents. Heavy printing families can use them too, especially if they have a student or students who print lots of worksheets or report drafts. For these uses, the Brother MFC-L2900DW XL is the mono laser AI of the moment that others will have to beat, and the pricing is aggressive too. The MFC-L2900DW standout feature is its ability to scan in duplex, though it offers plenty of other perks, including being small enough that you can put it on your desk instead of on a dedicated printer table. Small offices and work groups will benefit from the AIO features the most, but don't discount this model for a heavy printing home. You won't use it for photo or image printing, but for raw document input and output, it's a super printer